Hey, what's going on? My name is Johnny, and today I'm going to walk you through setting up a VPS using Hostinger. If you want to install a web app, run automation workflows, create a private dashboard, host an AI tool, or manage your own backend system, a VPS gives you the flexibility to do that. And in the end, you'll have your own VPS set up and ready to install your web apps on your new server. Now to get started, you can click the link in the description, which will give you a 10% discount with your new VPS. Alright, so if you followed the link in the description, you should have landed on this page. This is where we're going to pick our VPS subscriptions. So with that being said, just going to click choose plan. And this is going to scroll us down to where we can choose our plans. Now for this tutorial, I'm going to recommend picking the KVM1 plan. And that's because if we install our web app and find that we're running low on system resources, Hostinger makes it very easy to upgrade our plan. And I'm actually going to show you guys later in the video where we can upgrade. So for right now, we're just going to click choose plan for KVM1. In this next section is where we can choose our billing period. Then I suggest picking the 12-month option because with it, you still get a free